God bless me. So it's like 97 degrees out here, right? So I'm just testing out my new head mount. GoPro 7 Silver 4K. Up to 33 feet, waterproof. And we just testing the head mount out. So this is pretty much like my second demonstration of my new GoPro 7. GoPro Hero 7 4K Silver. And we just, like I said yesterday, like I said the first video, we just shooting in regular 1440 HD. Basically 2K. We shooting this video right here in 2K. Yeah, we shooting this video right here in 2K. We ain't doing nothing too spectacular with this video. But we just gonna go up here, really gonna. Go all the way down to the end of the street, and we gonna turn all the way back around. We just, like I said, we just testing it out. I picked up my new head strap mount from Best Buy today, and I got like another mount to go on my dashboard. It's supposed to be like a taller mount, or it could also go like on the windshield. But since I'll be using it in my 18 wheeler, then it's gonna go on my dashboard panel. Yeah, so hopefully it looks good. Hopefully I ain't got nothing cut off a certain view. Hopefully ain't nothing cut off from it or nothing like that. So don't know, like I just moved it down like kind of on my forehead a little bit. That might look better than the whole video footage I've been getting since I had this strap on. But we gonna see though. If it looks better this way, we gonna do it. We know how to do it, you know what I'm saying? If it looks better this way, then we know how to do it. The purpose is to get like a good view of everything in front of you. You want to see everything. See, we got some meal. I'm gonna go in and check on this footage and see what this footage looking like and see what kind of video was putting out with the head strap on. So either way it go, I'm excited. Ooh, that wall scared me, man. The walls trying to get me, y'all. Hi. Yeah, so we about to hook it up and see what it look like, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.